Ridgely Elementary School bring in some household items that they did not use anymore to donate for a in-school yard sale. And the money that we make will be donated to Sandy Hook Elementary School. And we also asked them to bring in some bake sale items, and we are selling some Hurricane Sandy bracelets, and that money will go to Hurricane Sandy from the damage that they had.
We discussed it at our student council meetings, and the kids kind of picked up the idea and started discussing it, and we went to the principal and asked for what night we could do it, and he said math night would be perfect. So, and we have a consignment shop here in Ridgely that is going to take the items that we don't sell and put them in a consignment shop, and the money we make from there goes to also to Sandy Hook or Hurricane Sandy.